back guys to another video. Today we're out here in Square One in front of Buddy's cake shop, the Cake Boss, as you guys know. Wanted to try out this cake. They have slices here that are known for, you know, being amazing and everything. So we wanted to come out here and try it out. We're gonna give you a first-hand view of what it looks like. They come straight from New Jersey. I don't know how good they are, but we'll try them out, okay? Check it out. So we got like 6 varieties of cakes here. If you see, we have the carrot cake, the chocolate cake, the red velvet, the rainbow, I think it's the vanilla filling. And then you have the full cake, which is 50 bucks, guys. Look at that. And then we have the chocolate rainbow cake. We're probably gonna try the vanilla filling one. Sweet vanilla icing. That's the one that we really like. And then let's try that. Okay. So the total comes up to being $11.29, which is fairly expensive for the cake that we're getting. But you know what? It's worth the. No. Okay guys, so we just got the rainbow cake slice. We also want to try their red velvet cake. Apparently it's very, very well known. So, I mean, it's not gonna hurt the pocket that much, so let's go for it. We'll give you the taste experience for both of them and then see how everything goes together. You know what? Look at this. Your cake is coming right up. WTF? Whoa.
Cake is coming right up.
Oh wow. It makes sound as well. Look at that. Here it comes. Look at that. Cake Boss. Let's go. Okay guys, so we just came back from Square One. We weren't allowed to eat inside, but we wanted to come out here. We want to give you guys the experience of eating this cake. So I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna start off by opening up the rainbow cake. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Let's go. First bite. Ooh. Wow. Off the bat, the icing, it tastes so fresh. Apparently on the vending machine it said it's delivered on a daily basis. That's probably why it's so fresh. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh. Right into the mouth. You get cakes like this. Well, you can't get cakes in the vending machine, but when you get cake like this, they have either too much spice, too much icing, or too much cake. So this is perfect. We're gonna try out the other one. On to the next one now, guys. So this one is a red velvet from Carlo's Cake Bakery. So we've tried the red velvet from other places, other bakeries, not in particular this one, but you know what? We're gonna dig in. Let's see how it tastes. The other one was really, really moist, the rainbow cake, so I hope the same goes for this. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. So, the first thing I noticed, the cake itself, it's a little dry. I'm not sure what it might be. The other cake was super, tasted very, very fresh. This one in particular, the cake seems like it's a little dry. Yeah, not a big fan of this one. The cream or the icing, not so good. Doesn't taste that good. Yeah, I would say, you know what, other places might have gotten it right. For me particularly, this is not the right choice. I like the rainbow. I would probably, if I do go the next time, get the rainbow again, but I'll stay away from the red velvet. I just gave it to my wife, and she tried it, and she does not like it at all. You can hear her. She's saying it tastes disgusting. Honestly, I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the cake itself, or if it has something to do with
the batter. Like it's like the filling.
Yeah.
It's like sour.
You mean the icing?
The icing.
Yeah. I don't know if the cake has gone bad, but apparently it says it's supposed to be fresh. There's no. I just got the chills.
Good, but like,
yeah. I don't know. I'm not the big fan of the red velvet. I know. But you know, the rainbow right here, this one was very, very good right here. You know what, we're probably gonna try this a little bit more, and then, you know, tell you guys how it tastes. But honestly speaking, guys, if you guys do get a chance, do come out to Square One. The vending machine is right across the food court. You guys can come here, try it out, and then let us know in the comment section below, like, what do you guys think? Is it worth the price? I mean, $11 for a slice. Red velvet, nah. But rainbow cake, you know, first time trying, I would say it is worth the price. So honestly speaking, do give it a chance. If you guys feel like when you guys do come here, these cakes do get sold out very, very fast, relatively fast. But I would say when you do come early, come in the morning, try it out. Maybe bring a significant other and then try it out with them, and then, you know, let us know how it tastes. Okay, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Take care.